these are all insecure fake people that are trying to sell you dreams. But even if you lose extra 100 rupees over that, it's like थोड़ी सी तो गलती हो गई.
Correct. Like let's say they are taking money from their parents, they are putting it in the market. So it's not the right way to make money is what I would say.
Is the pump and dump is so big कि they're paying me 10,000 to just post it on, not even say buy or sell. I used to worry about is you don't think money is real.
Let them understand what is real and what is fake in the market.
They even started asking, please post verified PNL, verified PNL. Crypto में तो होता ही नहीं verified PNL.
One is friends. Friend ने suggest किया, इसमें डाल दिया, पैसा चला गया.
First of all, you need to see कि कितना मैं risk ले सकता हूँ. तब तक you have that mindset, you'll never make money. Unfortunately, no, you will make money today.
In this particular episode of Decoding Markets with Trading Academy Bengaluru, we have hosted Siddhant Arora, also known by the name Trade with Siddhant. He's a very popular person on Instagram in the trading community. He was faceless for all this time, was just focused on helping people by giving them knowledge and how his trade setups work, how he's been profitable for all these years. He's been trading from a long time, holds a lot of experience. So here he is with us, finally revealing his face in the first ever podcast of Decoding Markets with Trading Academy Bengaluru.
Siddhant bhai, welcome to Decoding the Markets with Trading Academy Bengaluru. This is a place where we do real talks with real traders. So we are in a motive to create awareness amongst the trading community of what is real and what is not real. Because many people are getting fooled day after day, day after day. They are getting fooled by many people, and let them understand what is real and what is fake in the market. And I would like to discuss your journey as well in this particular podcast.
Hi Shashank, let's do it. Ask me.
Okay. So Siddhant bhai, how did you get into the stock market? Why did you feel that you have a requirement to trade?
So the thing is, no one in my family, my friends, anybody trades. They don't know what market is, nothing. I used to be, I used to look at the movies and be like, ये लोग नंबर को देख रहे हैं, नंबर देख के कैसे ट्रेड करते हैं. It looks cool. It's pretty cool if you think कि कोई चार्ट पे बैठ के ट्रेड कर रहा है और पैसे बन रहे हैं. So I was fascinated by that, and then I started researching, and there is this website investing.com.
Correct.
They have this course on basics of investing. I bought that for 5,000 rupees something back, I think 5-6 years ago. I watched that and then I started trading. Then I started with swing trading. So I used to buy stocks which were nearing breakout, and I learned all this on YouTube, investing.com. I did some courses also, and then gradually with swing trading I went to FNO. Slowly I started developing how I want my system, how I want to manage risk. It took me years, but I got there, fortunately.
Got it. Nice to hear, Siddhant bhai. And there is an assumption that, like, let's say you last in stock market for more than 3 years, then you're pretty experienced in the market. So how was your journey in the first 3 years of your career?
Well, fortunately, I'd say that I have made money since the beginning, but I started losing when I started doing FNO.
Okay.
That's when the greed came in, because I started with swing trading. Swing trading is pretty simple, because you buy one day and then you have to wait a week, 2 days, 3 days to stock the move. There is room. You have the stop loss has a room.
Correct.
You don't have to take instant decisions. So I started making money when I started. But then when I got to know about FNO intraday, I started losing money. I think I made around 7-8 lakh rupees in swing, and I lost 7-8 lakh rupees in FNO. Same money.
Okay.
But मेरे को इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ा, क्योंकि I always preach one thing, कि always have separate source of income. That's what I've always been, very rigid about. कि I will never be dependent on market. Never.
Okay.
So somehow I survived that. I survived that loss. I survived everything. And then slowly I started making. I lost 7-8 lakh rupees in 3 months. It took me 1.5 years to finally make that back with FNO.
Okay.
With swing, it's pretty normal, and that's what I always say कि अगर आप start कर रहे हो तो swing trading से करो.
Okay.
It will teach you patience, basics. With FNO, there are too many, logic, too many concepts, too many, especially when you do intraday. How will you make a decision in 1 minute, 2 minutes when you are not trained, when you have no idea how the market reacts, what the structure is, how the market moves? Like today is election day. Someone is trading aggressively. Why do you want to trade aggressively on election day?
Correct.
I did not trade. Why should I be there when market is going to move 100, 200 points up and down? That's what I believe कि time तो लगेगा. कितना लगेगा? It depends on how fast you accept your mistakes and change it.
Got it.
क्योंकि if you don't even know what your mistakes are, if you don't manage risk and you always like मैं बना लूँगा, तो that's not going to happen. It's going to take long years. But we have also seen legends like Mark Minervini. It took them 7 years. Darvest, it took them 4 or 5 years. So how do you think we'll do it in 1-2? Even though we have all the resources, it still takes time. Give it time, do your job, do your business, something with it so that you can survive here.
Correct.
People why do they quit? They don't have the capital. They finish it. So they quit. But if you stay in the game, you'll learn. तो ऐसा है कि time तो लगता है.
Okay.
It took me also 3-4 years to fully go into it.
Oh, you told me a very interesting point that you have never been dependent on
Never.
trading. Like ये source से कभी livelihood के बारे में कभी नहीं सोचा है. So how would you suggest someone who is coming with a small capital, like let's say 50,000, 1 lakh rupees, how should his or her approach be towards the stock market?
So what I always say is कि if you have 50,000, 1 lakh rupees, start with swing trading, start with something small. Even if you want to do options, do it with 1 lot. On the side, you have another 6 hours in the day. Do freelancing, do some work, learn video editing, learn how to edit reels. I pay my thumbnail maker about 500 for one thumbnail. See, so he's making 500 rupees, no? If I say make 500 on the market today, there is no guarantee. I don't know, you don't know, even with my capital, your capital, there is no guarantee that we'll make even 500 rupees.
Correct.
With the trade. We can lose money. But if you have a skill, you'll always win money. That's how I've made my money. I have done my freelancing work. I've done everything. So that's how I have also made my own money. So
Okay.
that's what I say कि भाई always have एक separate जगह से पैसा आता रहे और उससे क्या है आपका कैपिटल भी ग्रो होगा. जितना बड़ा आपका कैपिटल होगा उतना ही इजी आपके लिए पैसा बनाना भी होगा. When you make 1% on 1 lakh rupees, it's nothing. But when you make on 1 crore 1%, that's what real money is.
Correct.
तो ये मेरा हमेशा लॉजिक रहा है. इवन मतलब अभी भी मैं यही सजेस्ट करता हूँ कि भाई there are so many jobs, especially today. You can sit at your home, on the internet, do something, learn something. Why not? Coding.
Correct.
We've seen young people make real big money with YouTube also.
Correct.
They're doing something. Why do you want to say कि मैं 50,000 से ट्रेडिंग से ही पैसा बनाऊंगा? ऐसा थोड़ी कोई अवार्ड थोड़ी मिलता है कि ट्रेडर है इसको अवार्ड दो जी. तो ये मेरा सजेशन हमेशा रहा है सबके लिए.
ओके. अभी ट्रेडर्स क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं? एक तो लो कैपिटल एंड द अदर थिंग इज इमोशनल टर्मोइल व्हेन दे आर गोइंग थ्रू बैड फेज. लूजिंग स्ट्रीक्स जब होता है मार्केट में तब इमोशनल कंट्रोल कैसे रखते हैं? हाउ हैव यू टेकन थिंग्स दैट हैज केप्ट यू अंडर कंट्रोल एंड हाउ हैव यू कम आउट ऑफ दैट फेज?
सो आई थिंक कि इसका सॉल्यूशन ढूंढने से बढ़िया है कि वी थिंक कि दिस इज अ पार्ट. ये होगा ही होगा. ठीक है. दिस विल कम. बैड डेज विल कम. सम डेज यू लूज योर टेम्पर. यू लूज मोर देन व्हाट यू हैव प्लान्ड. You'll plan I lose 1% but you'll lose 2. The thing is what you do after that. Either you can go aggressive the next day or you can cut it down. So I always say if I lose 5% in a month or any time, maybe in a day, next day I'm cutting my size by half.
Okay.
Why? I'll make less money but I'll bring back that confidence in me. Because you gain and lose confidence every day. When you're on a good streak, 5 दिन लगातार पैसा बना, छठे दिन ऐसा होता है मेरे को पता है कैसे चलती है मार्केट. ऐसा तो कॉन्फिडेंस मैं कर लूंगा. ऐसा गाड़ी चलाने जाते हैं हम दोबारा तो नहीं सीखते ना.
करेक्ट.
ठुक जाती है तो डर लगता है तो हम धीरे चलाते हैं. ये कट पे ठुक गई थी धीरे चलाता हूँ.
करेक्ट.
तो दैट्स मतलब इसका कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. दिस विल हैपन फॉर एवर.
ओके.
प्रॉब्लम इज व्हेन पीपल से कि मैंने ढूंढ लिया सॉल्यूशन अब नहीं होगा. फिर इट हैपेंस दे गेट डिसअपॉइंटेड कि मेरे को तो सॉल्यूशन पता था. बट दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. You have to be patient.
One more thing I would like to mention here. Many of our offline students who we train, when they have a loss, like let's say they have made a loss with 1 lot or 2 lots, when they are going to recover that, जब recovery के लिए जाते हैं 10 lot 20 lot लगाते हैं. तो अभी what is your best suggestion that you could give to traders who do this?
So my personal best suggestion is when you're in profit, double down.
Okay.
Like if you know the market is going to short, see you shorted 1 lot, it's going down, it's going as per your price action. Again you see another crack, go with another lot. Have that, you know, कि मैं कर लूँगा. When you're in profit, when you're in loss, cut it. चल ठीक है, लॉस हो रहा है ना. अगर लॉस हो रहा है तो मतलब आपका व्यू गलत था. तो आप डबल क्यों जाओगे? Double down when you're in profit. See, if I've made 1% in a month, for example, I've made 1% this month, and tomorrow's expiry. I know if I lose 1%, I'll be break even for the day. No, and if there is opportunity, the premium is high, I can afford to take that risk. I can double my quantity. But if I'm already in 2% down, and then I think कि 1% और खो दूंगा तो क्या ही होगा? Problem is कि mentally it affects you. Mentally the confidence just keeps going down. कहीं ना कहीं it is all about momentum. When you are in momentum, it's like चलने दो. तो even on a loss day, if you know कि मैंने plan करा है, उतना loss लिया, mentally you're like क्या बढ़िया trade करा मैंने, जितना decision था उतना ही करके गया. But even if you lose extra 100 rupees over that, it's like थोड़ी सी तो गलती हो गई. That I think really matters.
From all this, I remember one saying, never average on your losing trade.
Never.
Yeah, so this is one learning which people have to follow. And Siddhant bhai, I would like to ask one more thing. All these people going for recommendations, free recommendations हो सकता है, वरना call भी आता है.
Call तो बहुत आते हैं.
बहुत आता है. Where they are taking calls, losing a lot of money. Seriously, if I have to tell you, it is a very big issue. If people are coming to our offline institute, it is either Telegram, which is taken out their capital, wiped out, or calls जो आते हैं
phone पे.
And then the third one is friends. Friend ने suggest किया, इसमें डाल दिया, पैसा चला गया. So these three things, what would you tell them?
मैं तो एक ही चीज़ बोलता हूँ इस बात पे. If someone is calling you to buy Reliance खरीद लो, ऊपर जाएगा. वो आपको क्यों बताएगा? Everyone can arrange money. If they somehow needed an emergency, they can take a loan, something, you know, there are online apps to get loan in 5 minutes you can get a loan.
Correct.
So why don't they put their own money? Why are they telling you?
Correct.
If someone is telling you, they probably are scamming you. No one has any idea what the market will do. No expert, nobody. Because nobody can figure out all the what is going to happen tomorrow in the world. Nobody knew COVID is going to come. तो किसी को कुछ नहीं पता ना. तो why are you trusting someone who's just telling you buy this, buy that? Rather wait, do your own work. It's your अब पैसा कमाने के लिए इतना टाइम मेहनत लगती है. उसको डबल करने के लिए किसी के सुन के पैसा डाल देते हो.
Correct.
Why do that?
Yeah.
I told you, you know what I got on Instagram. So some page DM'd me. He said कि post this stock with its fundamentals and technical analysis. Don't say buy or sell, just post this and we'll pay you. They're paying me 10,000 a post. You know, so see how big the scam is. The pump and dump is so big कि they're paying me 10,000 to just post it on, man, not even say buy or sell. But they know people will buy because I posted.
Correct.
Because they don't want to do their own research. They'll read the fundamentals. Are debt free, very good, very good. They'll put the money, and then the stock will dump, and then they'll be like, "ये क्या कर दिया?" So you have to be very careful when it's your own money. Why trust anyone?
Correct. Very true, Siddhant bhai. And Siddhant bhai, what is the type of trading you do? You have already mentioned that you do swing trading, and you lost money in F&O and recovered money in F&O itself.
Yeah.
So right now, what is your major focus that you do in stock market?
So I have 3 different systems I currently run. So personally, in my real life, I have a separate business, like a traditional business. So I can't be always active 9 to 3. So what I do is I run my strategies 1 DT expiry or 2 DT. 2 days to expiry, 1 day to expiry. All my systems are fully hedged. I know my maximum loss, I know my maximum profit. That way, sometimes you give extra profit because you're hedging, but the peace of mind is worth it.
Correct.
And then I have a separate system where I take swing trades. When the market is in bull mode, I take swing trades. When it's not, I'm using that capital as it is, free, no worries. I don't run over कि मेरे को 1% तो नहीं मिला, use कर लेता, कोई नहीं. And then I run a monthly trade. Monthly trade is simply with what I've pledged. I have some G-Secs, Nifty, Bank Nifty. I've pledged that with Zerodha. They've given me capital, and I use that and I take monthly trades on Bank Nifty, just to make extra 1-2% every month. That is peaceful. That is also fully hedged.
Okay.
Everything I run is fully hedged, fully risk managed. I should know कितना risk है, कितना नहीं. तभी that is what I always say कि whatever you do, you should know your risk. If you don't know your risk, You're going to end today or tomorrow. It's going to happen.
Oh, correct. So you were mentioning swing trading. So basically, do you do it off the charts, or you have any other checklist which you follow?
Pure technicals.
Pure
I only
technicals?
watch the chart.
Okay.
Chart, EMAs, and volume. Volume is key. These three things is what I look. I'm big on candlesticks.
Okay.
I like to study candlesticks, what the candle is saying, how it's going. I don't particularly follow the patterns because I believe somehow patterns are going to trap you because they are a little bit too common. So I like to get my entries a little below them or after confirmation.
अभी जब मोमेंटम बिल्डअप हो रहा है तब ट्रैक करके
हाँ.
खरीदना है.
Always focus on volume. क्योंकि volume ऐसी चीज़ है जो institution नहीं छुपा सकती.
करेक्ट.
If they are buying, it has to show in the volume.
करेक्ट.
तो volume अगर आ रही है तो आप उस पर ध्यान रखो और उसके साथ चलो.
ओके.
और ऑलवेज हैव अ स्टॉप लॉस. स्टॉप लॉस के बिना कोई काम नहीं. एक एग्जिट प्लान होना चाहिए.
ओके.
अभी रिसेंटली आई गॉट किक्ड आउट लाइक 2 days अगो. कैरोसेल स्टॉक है, उसमें अर्निंग्स ट्रैप था, अर्निंग्स के नीचे खुला, वापस से स्टॉक ने रिकवरी कर ली. ठीक है, आई बॉट इट एट अ गुड ब्रेकआउट. इट वेंट अप अनदर डे. अब आई वाज इन गोवा. आई वोक अप, आई सॉ कि भाई स्टॉक इज डाउन 4%. इट हिट माय स्टॉप लॉस लेवल जस्ट बिलो. आई एग्जिटेड. And then I checked 3 p.m. It went back up. Now it's up. It was up 6-7% yesterday.
ओके.
So that will happen. ये तो होगा, ट्रेडिंग में होगा. आप अगर ये सोचो कि स्टॉप लॉस नहीं होता, मैं बच जाता, नहीं. और भी तो नीचे जा सकता था ना.
करेक्ट.
आपको दोनों एस्पेक्ट देखने हैं. रिग्रेट नहीं कर सकते, अरे ये तो ऊपर जाता, ऐसे नहीं. जो है रूल वो रूल है.
Siddhant bhai, and one more thing, like I started trading in 2019 when I was in degree itself. So when I started, like in the initial days, like there were many emotions, like emotions are up, down, everything happens in your initial days. Like as you progress, everything becomes so common that you stop caring about things.
Stop caring.
Okay. So how important is dead emotions in stock market?
I think the biggest thing I used to worry about is you don't think money is real. What happens is if you make, let's say, if you make 50,000 in a day, मैंने तो 50,000 कमा ली है. If you lose 50,000, let's say you lose 50,000, and then you go out to buy something. Somebody says it's 120. 100 का मिलता है, उसने 120 मांगे.
Correct.
तो ये लाइक क्या 20 रुपए के लिए लड़ूँ, 50,000 तो भी डेड करके आया हूँ, 20 रुपए ब्रोक है. तो आई थिंक दैट plays a huge role, especially in the starting. You don't see money as real.
Correct.
It's all figures on the chart.
Correct.
And it does not hit you until you count it out also. This is one of my psychology hacks. I have posted about this like 3-4 times. When you make less money, so some days when you make only 0.1, 0.2%, let's say I made only 4,000 rupees today. On 25 lakh, 4,000 is nothing. है ना? Very less percentage, 0.2 or 0.17% something.
Correct.
तो what you do is you take out cash, you count 4,000, 4,000 रुपये तो आए यार, 4,000 से क्या क्या आ जाएगा. बट ऑन द स्क्रीन तक 4,000 ही तो आए, क्या हो गया.
Correct.
आई थिंक
जब तक विड्रॉल नहीं होता तब तक
वो 50,000 हाथ में बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं और स्क्रीन पे लगता है 50,000 ही तो है. ये बहुत फर्क है. ये आने में टाइम लगता है. मतलब ये तो विद टाइम ही आएगा, या तो आएगा या फिर आपका कैपिटल जीरो हो चुका होगा और आप कहोगे तो जुआ है.
Correct. Oh. So recently, there are many genuine people, and there are many people who are advertising things. It is not because like they are really living up those kind of things. It is just to like for their different causes, I would say, like displaying of their lifestyle in other countries and displaying that they have these kind of watches and all these things. How are people getting trapped in these kind of things? It was recently discussed in many places that these kind of things are happening, and the people who are doing that are getting paid by other institutions to display and tell that I am trading in this particular broker. Display, I'll pay you, you display lifestyle. Okay, these kind of things are happening. So what would you tell our audience for them to stay away from these kind of people and stay safe with their money?
I'll simply give one advice. आपको कुछ नहीं देखना, आपको ये देखना है कि वो आप जिससे सीख रहे हो आपको क्या सिखा रहा है. If they say कि ट्रेड्स मैं दूंगा, इस ब्रोकर पे जाके लिंक खोल लो. And it's some shady platform, crypto platform, forex platform. Even I get those offers. And the commission is huge. 75% lifetime brokerage. Every account they open, you get 5,000 rupees. So the margins are huge. As a person that can influence people, the margins are huge. And the payouts are also good. But even they know कि मेरी जो audience है वो beginner है, वो सीखना ही है. अगर मैं उनको ऐसे shady platform पे ले जाऊंगा, crypto forex कराऊंगा with low capital, they'll always go bust.
करेक्ट.
तो
इसीलिए सब हमारे इंडियन ट्रेडर्स और इन्फ्लुएंसर्स फॉरेक्स और क्रिप्टो की तरफ भाग रहे हैं अभी.
शिफ्ट कब हुए? जब वेरीफाइड पीएनएल शुरू हुआ.
Correct.
एज सून एज एवरीवन स्टार्टेड आस्किंग प्लीज पोस्ट वेरीफाइड पीएनएल. क्रिप्टो में तो होता ही नहीं वेरीफाइड पीएनएल.
कंपनी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है.
हाँ, वो अपना क्या वो ने बना लेंगे एक व्हाट डू यू कॉल सर्टिफिकेट, पे आउट सर्टिफिकेट. अरे पे आउट आए तो अकाउंट का दिखा दो ना, दिख जाएगा पे आउट आए. नहीं आया ना पे आउट, तो सर्टिफिकेट तो एडिट हो जाता है. दैट इज द इशू. और ये साइकिल चलती रहती है. पहले दे वर ट्रैपिंग विद ऑप्शन बाइंग, फिर वेरीफाइड पीएनएल केम, दे वेंट टू क्रिप्टो फोरेक्स, नाउ दे आर हियर. Someday regulations will come, they'll shift to something else. Anybody that claims quick money with low capital is a scam. Clear and cut. There is no way these 19, 20-year-olds are buying Lamborghinis in Dubai with Mera Lifestyle Jilo. That is no lifestyle.
Unfortunately, we have had a few people come into our institute as well, and later on, once even people started to understand what the reality is, even we understood. So these kind of things keep happening. And what is your best advice as a trader? You are very experienced in the market. You are continuously making profits. When I spoke to Sumed also, only after he told me that you are making profits on our platform itself, then it is like I feel this is genuine. Okay, then this person can speak and educate my audience. Like, how has your journey been, and what would you suggest people to follow in this current market? The market we started in is totally different. Okay, and the market we are in right now, it is totally different. What is your suggestion that would at least help them save their capital?
So I would always say कि go with, first of all you need to see कि कितना मैं रिस्क ले सकता हूँ. ठीक है. ऑल नो मैटर व्हाट मार्केट इज, ठीक है, व्हेन द बुल मार्केट कम्स यू कैन टेक एक्स्ट्रा रिस्क बिकॉज द मार्केट विल कीप गोइंग अप, द स्टॉक विल कीप रनिंग अप, बट ऑलवेज हैव अ रिस्क प्लान. सो इफ यू आर ट्रेडिंग ऑप्शंस, आई ऑलवेज से कि भाई यू शुड नो हेजिंग, बेसिक हेजिंग. आई डोंट इवन से कि मेक कॉम्प्लिकेटेड स्ट्रैटेजीज, बाय कैलेंडर्स, वॉल्यूम, नथिंग. जस्ट बाय अनदर ऑप्शन ऊपर का, थोड़ा सा सेफ लेके चलो. The profit will come down because if you sell a naked option, you make more money. When you buy a hedge, you give that profit a bit. But that will teach you the power of risk on days when big events happen. If you remember, I think 3-4 years back, one day the NSE went down.
Correct.
It opened like 5-6 p.m. You know, if you have a big position built up, what will you do then? How will you sleep? How will you eat? And I had a big position open then.
Okay.
Because I was, you know, there was leverage back then.
Correct.
So now there is no leverage. I used to trade with same capital. I used to trade double the size. I used to make double the money I make now with less capital. Because the leverage was open. I was not even buying hedges then. I was buying for extra margin only.
Correct.
I was trading intraday, but that market was different. You know, we could see price being respected, volume prices being respected. Only yesterday Sensex expiry, we saw 500% jumps in puts.
Correct. Yeah.
So if you don't have the hedge, how will you survive?
Once, as you mentioned Sensex, what happened to one of our students is, like, we had shorted a call option. Then what happened, the premium from 30 rupees something, we took the position at 2 p.m. 3:30 is the close of the market. It had fallen to let's say 2 or 3 rupees. From there, we told him, sir, we have closed our positions, even you close. It was a naked position. He had his position sizing, entire capital he's put. It is a big capital itself. Then the premium went and expired at 300 rupees. So these kind of volatile situations, I think it is a very good learning for our audience. Even though they know hedging, many of them do not follow because it has limited profit. People don't want limited profit right now.
They want to see that extra money. I also have a simple rule. Even with hedged trades, fully hedged trades. So let's say I have 20,000 risk open to make 20,000 in the center. Okay. If I made 18,000 on that position, I will not keep it open.
Correct.
Because now the risk is not only 20,000, it is also plus my profit.
Correct.
So now I lose 20 plus 17 that I was making.
Correct.
For that extra 1-2 rupees, we have seen some days when that 1 rupee option has went to 200, 300.
Correct.
So why I don't know why people wait for that extra 1-2 rupees. Exit it ना 1-2 रुपए कमा के क्या होगा?
Correct.
Plus you're taking that stress. After 3, anything can happen. You know, I know. We have been trading. We know कि कुछ भी हो सकता है. Why wait for that extra 1-2 rupees?
Correct. Exactly.
Always, मतलब, even though the max profit is showing कि I'll make 20,000 if it expires, which I know 99% will expire between that only.
Correct.
But I don't even want to take that 1% now because problem is not कि I'll lose money. Problem is next day I'll be frustrated.
Correct.
After 330 I'll be frustrated कि मेरे 17,000 बन रहे थे वो भी नहीं बन रहे और 20,000 का लॉस भी हो गया. तो you with time, with you know, as you get older in market, you make some small changes in your trading. So even I have this rule, 1-2 रुपए का ऑप्शन है, मैं नहीं रखता भाई, बेच.
Okay.
10 रुपए का बेचा है मैंने, वो 2 रुपए पे आ गया, 8 पॉइंट आ गए ना.
80%
हाँ.
प्रॉफिट आ गया.
अब मैं आखिरी 2 पॉइंट के लिए बैठा रहूंगा जबकि मुझे पता है भाई सेंसेक्स कुछ भी कर सकता है. वी हैव सीन क्रेजी वाइल्ड मूव्स ऑन सेंसेक्स.
Correct.
Premium skipping. There have been big scenarios where people have lost big amounts of money. All because the premium will skip, it will go to 500%, broker will cut it क्योंकि भाई margin exceed हो गया.
Correct.
And then you can cry to broker, you can cry to anyone, but at the end of the day, you have to take your responsibility. It is your money and you have to respect it. So you have to make these small changes to survive in this market.
Correct. And Siddhant bhai, you told me swing trading as well. Let us come back to swing topic. How do you identify a sector? So basically, even I am a swing trader. I do not do much of intraday in our index. If I am taking a position, it is either in stock option or I am building equity positions, like which I am going to hold for 2.5-3 months. I do based on order book, I do based on result and all these things. So I first identify sectors and then do my stock related research and then invest, put my money. So what is your style? How do you identify sectors or it is
Yeah.
random stocks?
So I have a full sector list.
Okay.
I even post it regularly on weekends on my
Okay.
Telegram कि भाई ये लो free की list scan करो. It takes hardly 5-10 minutes to scan. I have certain rules. The
Okay.
sector should be above 10 and 20 EMA. Okay. And the weekly chart has to be bullish. If it's a downtrend, I'm not going to touch it. It has to be in a bullish trend.
Okay.
So then you scan those 15-20 sectors and you see कि best sector कौन सा है.
Okay.
Let's say IT is performing better than auto. And now after I go to stock scanning, I see 2 stocks, one belongs in IT, one belongs in auto. Now if you will trade auto, you know इस सेक्टर में जान नहीं है, इस सेक्टर में पैसा नहीं फ्लो हो रहा, तो यहाँ का जो गुड स्टॉक है ना वो IT के बैड स्टॉक से भी बेटर परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाएगा.
Correct.
क्योंकि तो मनी इज फ्लोइंग इन IT ओनली. इफ दैट सेक्टर इज मूविंग अप, why not go with it?
Correct.
So my process is pretty simple. It takes 5 minutes. Scan everything really quick. Once you get older, you will see कि भाई chart की जान दिख जाती है. You see the last candle, weekly, daily candle. You know what the strength is.
Correct.
The candle is closing down. It's breaking down. You know it's bad. I have to
Correct.
stay away. Sometimes you can be like, चलो ठीक है, I'll keep it in my watch list, but I'll not trade it.
Okay.
And if it's breaking out, we're seeing a clear breakout in auto, then you have to go with auto. Open the auto charts, find a good stock that is around 52-week high, trade it. Don't wait on it, but don't trade a sector that is weak. Because if it's weak, there is a reason it's weak. Price never lies.
Correct. Do you make use of AI tools?
I have
Yeah.
started to.
Okay. How do you do it? Can
So
you brief
I have a very simple hack. All you do is you go on ChatGPT and you ask ChatGPT to write me what do you call it? Write me a prompt that will identify the fundamentals and technicals of this stock like Warren Buffett does.
Okay.
So he'll give you a prompt. You copy that prompt. You put in the stock you're researching and you put it. It'll give you a full summary like Warren Buffett. Maybe you have some other investor you like, Vijay Kedia, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, anybody. जो भी जिसका भी स्टाइल पसंद हो, AI will find how they what
Correct.
fundament.
उनके स्टाइल ढूंढ के
हाँ.
दे देगा.
Very simple method. That's what I do.
Okay. Sector analysis के लिए integrate किया है AI को?
नहीं
किया. That you do it manually.
मैनुअली, क्योंकि आई थिंक मैनुअली करने में थोड़ा मजा भी आता है अभी.
Correct.
I
Productivity बढ़ जाता है.
do use this website Chartmaze करके.
Okay.
They post the tool is they have 4 charts
Okay.
and they have different what do you call them, scanners
Scanner.
set.
Okay.
So it makes it a bit convenient. But I think manual scanning का जो मजा है वो manual scanning का ही रहता है. The eyes, you're trained, you know what you do.
Correct.
The
Each
AI
and
is-
every stock also you'll understand.
हाँ.
Basically, what happened in 2023 is I had been trading in Adani ports for almost 2 years, only in a single stock. तो जब भी इंट्राडे करना है, स्टॉक ऑप्शन खरीदना है अदानी पोर्ट्स में, जब अपॉर्चुनिटी, बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट गोइंग अप अप I got so attached to the chart, like I could sense when things are going to happen and enter before that. It is like that. So basically what you're saying is when you do it in a manual way, you have understanding of which company moves how and all these things, which in return helps you take better trades.
When you trade Nifty, that it's like Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty. You know how the Bank Nifty will move.
Correct.
It can move 700 points. If it's breaking out, it will move.
Correct.
So if you keep trading the same stock, especially for stock options, or if you sell options in a certain stock, you know how the stock will move, how big percentage it can move, what it can do, how I can manage the risk. So that definitely happens.
Oh.
But fractals are there also in trading. There is a certain price action that you'll always see happen. If the chart is getting tight, the volume is there, and it's breaking out, don't wait for it. Some people also wait, they don't buy.
Correct.
The breakout happens, it goes up 20%, they'll buy at 20%. अब मैं मुझे क्यों नहीं खरीदा था? I was waiting for confirmation. अरे, haven't you seen all these stocks? When you've seen with your eyes, you trust it. And if it's breaking out, buy it. It will come out. Stop loss ही तो लगेगा, वो तो पार्ट है.
Correct.
4-5 ट्रेड ही तो चाहिए 10 में से पैसा बनाने के लिए. तो ले तो लो. अब 20% में जाके आप लोगे तो क्या रिस्क रहेगा? आप 20% का SL दोगे उसको. और 20% का मूव देगा तो 1:2 आर ही तो बना, आपका बनेगा क्या पैसा? कैसे आप सर्वाइव करोगे मार्केट में 1:2 आर पे?
करेक्ट. सिद्धांत भाई, व्हाट इज योर बिगेस्ट ट्रेड सिंगल डे में, या अगर एक ट्रेड का डिस्कस करना है, हेजिंग का 2-3 दिन का रहेगा करके आपने बोला, सो व्हाट इज योर बिगेस्ट ट्रेड टिल डेट?
बिगेस्ट ट्रेड इज, मैं लूजिंग ट्रेड बताता हूँ आपको.
Okay.
आई यूज्ड टू ट्रेड बिग साइज बैक देन. ठीक है, जब वी यूज्ड टू गेट मार्जिन.
ओके.
तो I lost 1,20,000 something. That was around 5-6%.
ओके.
6% is single day. Why? Because I could not stop. It was 2 p.m. ठीक है, I lost 20,000. The market was acting weird. तो I lost 1%. चलो ठीक है, कर लिया. मैंने कहा चल भाई हो गया, done. Close करो. I kept increasing my size non-stop. Back to back, and went up to 1,20,000. And then it took me about another 3-4 months to cover 6%. Because now your capital is also less, and you're mentally drained, and you have that pressure also.
Correct.
Somehow you have that pressure कि यार what did I do?
करना.
कैसे कर लिया मैंने? My biggest profit is only 60,000-70,000.
Okay.
There is a full live trading video. It was back then. I've recorded live. Now though you don't get margin, so you can't even take big positions on expiry day.
Correct.
I have that video also where I made 6,000, and then when I have lost 120, वो भी वीडियो है. दोनों लाइव में है कि कैसे क्या क्या हुआ.
ओके. हेजिंग का ट्रेड था या नेकेड? नेकेड
तो
पोजीशन.
आई यूज बैक देन द थिंग वाज कि ऑप्शंस मूव पर कि 5 रुपए से 7 रुपए 8 रुपए जाएगा. ऐसे क्रेजी स्पाइक नहीं आते थे जैसे अब आते हैं. अब तो 5 से सीधा 50 चले जाता है ना. तब नहीं जाता था. तो तब आई यूज्ड टू ट्रेड नेकेड ओनली ऑन एक्सपायरीज. But then when I lost 120, and then it kept happening because then the market regime was changing.
Correct.
The options were slowly went to 22. Then I started discovering hedging. Ki I can also reduce my risk and profit because I started trading pretty aggressive.
ओके. हेजिंग के बारे में अगर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी का डिस्कस करना है, व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ ट्रेड्स बीइंग प्रॉफिटेबल इन योर डे टू डे ट्रेडिंग राइट नाउ?
I think 70-80%.
70.
But the thing is, the percentage is pretty low.
प्रीटी लो. सेफ खेलते हो.
हाँ, safe. क्योंकि क्या है ना, ये टेस्ट है. ट्रेडिंग स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर ट्रेडिंग F&O, इट्स नॉट लाइक IPL कि आए 6 मार दिए चलेगा. इट्स लाइक टेस्ट. एक लूज बॉल आएगी, लूज एक्सपायरी आएगी, यू विल मेक 1%. Other days you keep making 0.1, 0.2, 0.3%. Slowly it adds up. Your aim is 3-4% महीने का. वो तो बन जाएगा ना 0.2 0.3 से भी। तो आपको एड्रेनलिन रश क्यों चाहिए कि मैं बिग ट्रेड लूँ
Correct.
Sometimes when you take small trades, you can also hold on to them. If you've taken a big size, even though the market is in your range, but the IB is going up, so the position will lose. And you'll start losing money. It will be in the center, right at the payoff. You'll be like, यहाँ तो पैसा बनना चाहिए था, but the trade is so big you can't even hold it.
Correct.
तो I think कि percentage wise, अगर आपको higher percentage चाहिए, तो you have to go smaller size with fixed risk.
Correct.
That is more peaceful mentally. I won't say that is more profitable because I know people make more money. Some people do make more money. They make 8-9%, but they also take more risk, no?
Correct.
So that's their thing. You have to find कि what suits your mentality.
Correct.
आपको किस चीज़ में peace मिलती है. Some people do trade aggressive. That's what they do full time. So they can sit, they can trade, and they can live with their life.
Correct.
I want कि भाई मैं peacefully trading करूँ. I don't want that greed कि मेरे को चाहिए ही चाहिए. ठीक है, बन जाएगा जो बनना होगा.
I'm really happy to hear that 3-4% a month from you. I have not heard it from many people. Each and every day, me and our staff are usually sitting and discussing. They come ask, sir, I have 20,000. I have 70-80,000 commitment. It is really hard for us also to digest, and it is really hard for them also to achieve that kind of profits in the market. So what you have explained here is the profits 3-4% बहुत realistic है.
बहुत realistic.
हाँ, बहुत रियलिस्टिक है, इजीली अचीवेबल है. अभी जो बड़ा कैपिटल के साथ आता है उनका माइंडसेट एक छोटा कैपिटल वाले जैसा ही है अभी. When they come with 10,000 also, they want to make big returns. When they come with 50 lakhs also, they are like, I want to make 80,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh a day. तो ऐसे goals रख के आते हैं, and few days they are successful, and whatever they make in those trades, one trade will take everything away, including their capital. So what I have seen is recent trend, the risk capacity has increased a lot. Like they're ready to lose. पर मैं जब enter किया, and I wanted to ask you this question as well. अभी in which year did you enter? 2020?
I think 1920.
1920. Similar times we have entered the market. How was the like mindset of the people back in 2020? And how is the people's mindset right now in this market?
So I think I've been lucky and unlucky. I started watching YouTube videos, no?
Okay.
तो पहले तो I used to watch intraday videos. It used to give me that rush. दिखने में मजा आता है.
Correct.
5-10k इधर उधर. Then I found this guy Shreyas Bandi. He's from Bangalore only. He quit his YouTube videos, but he has another. I fully I've learned everything from him. Is what I say. His mindset.
Okay.
He has quit Twitter, YouTube, everything. He used to just make videos, no courses, absolutely nothing. He used to trade 70-80,000 quantity in Bank Nifty.
Okay.
Huge quantity. And used to make 40-50 minute videos. So his mindset was also pretty similar to what I have taken.
Okay.
He runs his IT firm now. And the thing I found him, after I found him, I became profitable.
Okay.
So when I lost 7-8 lakh rupees, then I started researching, why am I losing money? What can I do? Then I found that guy, and he used to sell strangles. So I started selling strangles. And then I learned how he manages risk. He taught कि भाई 1% legs lose करने आए हो, 1.5 अगर बन जाएगा तो बहुत है. है ना? क्योंकि तब मार्केट डिफरेंट थी, तब आप एक्स्ट्रा रिस्क ले सकते थे. तो ही यूज्ड टू रन डिफरेंट स्ट्रैटेजीज, और मैं पूरी तरह उसको देखता था और कैसे उसका माइंडसेट है, कैसे वो ट्रेड कर रहा है. उसके बेसिस पे ही आई थिंक कि आई हैव made money. After I started watching him, I made all my money back. Same strategy what he used to do.
Okay.
He used to sell strangles, I used to sell strangles. Obviously, he used to always make more than me. If I made 1% today because it was an easy day, he'd make 2%.
Correct.
He's obviously more experienced. He knows what he's doing. But I think what you watch, how you behave is what really matters.
तब तो हमारे generation of traders were inspired from YouTube videos where we were learning. But right now it is quick content and lifestyle. Lifestyle से लोग trading को enter कर रहे हैं, which is a very bad thing I would say. They are coming in with a lot of expectation. जब हमने enter किया chart, people used to have passion for the charts. Right now I don't see passion for the chart. They are waiting for entry. Okay, green candle, red candle. Why is the green candle there? Why is the red candle there? People don't know. So this is the kind of trend which we are seeing right now. So we have discussed a lot of things in this particular podcast, Siddhant bhai. Do you have anything that you would like to address the audience with?
Yeah, I think if you are looking for someone that teaches you, you, me, anyone, so you should see what they're showcasing. Like I'll give an example. If I'm showing my trades, I used to get some messages like, अपना lifestyle दिखाओ, आप गाड़ी कौन चलाते हो? अरे भाई तुम गाड़ी से क्या करोगे? तुम ट्रेड देखो ना जो ट्रेड चल रहा है, कॉन्सेप्ट सीखो. If I make a long video 15-20 minutes, they don't want to see it.
Correct.
They want something 1 मिनट में बता दो, ऑप्शन कल पुट लेनी है कि कॉल लेनी है, बस. और जब तक you have that mindset, you'll never make money, unfortunately. No, you will make money today. You'll make money tomorrow. Maybe you'll lose some, but at the end of the day, you'll go bust.
Correct.
Because that's how it's going to happen. So I only say one thing, कि who you're learning from, see what they're showcasing. Real rich people, real wealthy people, they don't show off. They don't need to show off.
Correct.
We अभी रील्स में हम देखते हैं, मैंने लैम्बो ले ली, मैं दुबई में खाना खा रहा हूँ. यू थिंक अंबानी कांट डू दैट? अंबानी क्यों नहीं बना रहे रील्स? अदानी के बेटे क्यों नहीं बना रहे? देयर आर मेनी रिच पीपल, दे आर रनिंग बिग बिजनेसेस. व्हाई डोंट दे मेक रील्स कि मैंने गाड़ी ले ली मैंने? बिकॉज दे डोंट नीड टू. दीज आर ऑल इनसिक्योर फेक पीपल दैट आर ट्राइंग टू सेल यू ड्रीम्स, प्योर ड्रीम्स.
करेक्ट.
अगर आपने लैम्बो ले ली तो आप मेरे 300 रुपये का क्या करोगे? 300 रुपये मेरे को ट्रेड्स क्यों बता रहे हो?
करेक्ट.
राइट आप 5 करोड़ की गाड़ी ले लो, 300 रुपये का क्या करोगे मेरे ट्रेड्स बता के? एंड नोबडी टेल्स कि मैं अपना ट्रेड बता के आपको पैसा बनवा दूंगा. वो पहले उससे पूछो कि उसने अपना पैसा लगाया. वी ऑफन सी कि अपना चार्ट पोस्ट करेंगे और रॉकेट बना देंगे, अप 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 अप. मैंने पोस्ट करा था, ऊपर चला गया,
फायर सिग्नल डालते हैं.
अब फिर मैं पूछूंगा भाई आपने ट्रेड कितने का लिया था? वो है ही नहीं, ट्रेड ही नहीं है. लिया होगा तो 10,000 रुपये का. तो आप अगर किसी को बता रहे हो तो अपना पैसा तो लगाओ पहले. अगर आपको पता ही ऊपर जाएगा तो पैसा लगाओ और दिखाओ.
करेक्ट.
यू शुड सी कि वो क्या पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, उनकी क्या मेंटालिटी है, वो किस हिसाब से मार्केट को देखते हैं. दैट आई थिंक रियली व्हाट मैटर्स.
Siddhant bhai, adding to that one more thing, very close person to me. इंडियन मार्केट में ही था वो पहले, बाद में फॉरेक्स मार्केट को शिफ्ट हुआ. शिफ्ट होने के बाद में जितना भी कैपिटल बर्न करता जा रहा है, फिर भी फॉरेक्स पे ही अटका है वो. ही इज नॉट एबल टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट एंड ही इज नेवर गोइंग टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट बिकॉज ही इज कंटिन्यूसली वॉचिंग हिज रोल मॉडल शोकेस लाइफस्टाइल. आके बता रहा था मुझे, नेक्स्ट ईयर आई एम प्लानिंग टू मूव टू दुबई. तो करके ये ऐसे ड्रीम्स जो सेल कर रहे हैं, तो इट इज़ नॉट फेयर फॉर व्हाट दे आर डूइंग टू द पीपल. अभी उनके कमीशन के लिए दे आर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच इज hurting a lot of people's like let's say they are taking money from their parents, they are putting it in the market, so it's not the right way to make money is what I would say.
They're also losing money and their precious time.
Correct.
They're 18-19 years old. They could learn so many things, they could learn so many new skills, coding, editing, anything, whatever they wanted, but they're wasting their time on looking these forex reels, learning forex concepts. टेक्निकल एनालिसिस को फोरेक्स में पता नहीं वो कुछ अलग टर्म दे देंगे, एडवांस टेक्निकल एनालिसिस. अब वो मतलब डिफरेंट टाइप्स, ठीक है एडवांस होता है, बट आप ऐसे नाम देकर बोलोगे सिर्फ फोरेक्स में चलता है, तो आई थिंक पैसा तो आग लग रहा है बट टाइम भी उनका आग लग रहा है, जो टाइम वापसी नहीं आएगा उनके पास. प्राइम ईयर्स ऑफ देयर लर्निंग, इन्वेस्टिंग विल नॉट कम बैक.
करेक्ट.
क्योंकि दे आर वेस्टिंग देयर 3-4 years इन दिस स्टूपिड शिट कि मैं इससे अमीर बन जाऊंगा विदाउट कैपिटल.
करेक्ट. True words, Siddhant bhai. So this is our first episode of Decoding the Markets with Trading Academy Bengaluru, and we are very honored to have you as our first.
I'm honored to be here as the first guest.
Yeah, thanks a lot for coming here. You have given us your time. We appreciate that, Siddhant bhai.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hopefully, some people learn something.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shnan.